Hello, my name is Helaine Marshall, and I'll be working with you pretty soon online, talking about the SOFLA model, Synchronous Online Flipped Learning Approach, and taking a deep dive into some of the tools that I use in my online instruction. And this is part of your pre-work. So you have 4 tasks to think about as part of your pre-work. The first one is this video, and you're doing it right now. It's very short, you'll see. The second one is a preliminary questionnaire. There are a few questions for you to answer that give me some idea of the background of the participants in the session. Thank you for that. The third item will be 2 articles that I've written about SOFLA. One is a blog post and the other is an online newsletter article. You're going to choose one, read it, and give us an insight or takeaway from what you read. And then the last item is for you to come to the session bringing with you either hard copy or on your screen some plan or outline of a lesson or project that you're going to need to deliver online. So have it by your side. So those are the 4 things that I'd like you to do before we meet. And I'm looking forward to meeting you. I just wanted to introduce myself and have you get to know me just a little bit. I'm here with my ginger tea in my Tea-Sol mug to say hello. And I will see you all. Bring your tea or coffee to our session, and I look forward to meeting you. Thanks.